to the channel Scary Stuff. It's time for another animal versus video where we try to figure out who is the strongest animal on the planet. Today I would like to show you video fights involving the rhino. It is a very strong and powerful animal. But before I start showing you fights with rhinos, let me tell you a little bit about them. Rhinos have a very thick protective skin and usually one massive horn. There are only 5 species of rhino, and all of them are virtually extinct species due to human beings who kill them for their horns, which are sold on the black market. The first species is the Sumatran rhino. This rhino has 2 horns instead of 1. It's located on the almost extinct list. It's the smallest rhino of all the species. Another rhino species that is just one last step from being extinct is the Javan rhino. Only 58 rhinos of this species are left on Earth. There is also the black rhino, which inhabits Africa. This rhino weighs in at an average 2 tons. An even bigger species of rhino is the Indian rhino. It's the true tank of Mother Nature. And then there is the biggest rhino, the white rhino. The white rhino is an enormously big species of rhino, the second largest animal on Earth after the elephant. Its average weight is about 4 tons. Regardless of its heavy weight, he is extremely fast, and a person wouldn't be able to run away from him. Let's take a look at what this rhino can do. This rhino is eating grass when wild boars gather around him and start taking part of his food. The rhino doesn't like it and throws one boar up into the air. Don't worry, the wild boar is fine and wasn't hurt too bad. In this next video, lions circle around the rhino and attack him all together. Lions always work in groups. They realize that there is no way they will be able to attack the rhino from the front. So 2 lions decide to attract his attention while the third one tries to attack him from the rear. After a few failed tries, they were able to catch the right moment. But the rhino has a very thick skin, so it didn't get hurt by the lions. Here's another video of lions attacking a rhino, but this time there are more lions involved in the attack. They use the same technique by trying to distract the rhino, but it's all useless since it's an old, experienced rhino. At some point the rhino slips and falls, but for some reason the lions didn't take advantage of this moment, so the rhino quickly recovered. As we can see, no matter how many lions there are, the rhino will most likely still win the battle. Okay, since the rhino is the second biggest animal after the elephant, let's see what would happen if an elephant fights with a rhino. Just watch this. The rhino is definitely a very strong and unique animal. I hope you enjoyed watching these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.